Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome back to Airstream Utah. Today on our Maintenance Monday, I'm going to talk about cabinetry. Join me. If you've had your Airstream for any amount of time or taken a trip in it, you may have noticed that your cabinets are not lined up or your drawers are no longer lined up. Today I'm going to discuss how to adjust them, and I'm also going to go over the maintenance schedule that's required of Airstream to keep your rig in top condition for the duration of your ownership. First of all, if you ever look at your drawer space here and this crack between the drawers are no longer lined up, or the seam on the side is no longer aligned the way it should be, it's probably because the connectors inside here that are fastened to the cabinet have come loose in some capacity. As you all know, if you travel down the road in your Airstream, you are subjecting it to hurricane force winds and earthquake force vibrations every time you drive it somewhere. Therefore, some things may loosen up a bit. Removing the drawer is actually very simple. On the bottom of them, particularly all new models, there's some type of latch system, and I say pull the trigger. You can take the drawers out very simply. So in this particular model, it's these type of latches here. But where those connect to are right here on your rails. Inside of the drawer space, the way the rails are connected to the wall, you may see 5, 6, 7, 8 screws depending on the size of the drawer and the weight that it's meant to hold. But you can see here, there's a screw, 4, 5 on this particular model. As you drive, take a trip, before you store it for the winter, before you get it out for the next season, just get you a basic screwdriver and verify that they're all still tight. Please do not use a impact drill or a screw gun or a electric screwdriver or anything like that, because you can put too much force on it and strip out the hole. If you ever do find one that has a hole stripped out, one quick option is to get a toothpick, break it off in the hole, and put the screw in on top of the toothpick. Outside of that, you may need some wood cabinetry repair or some wood glue or something like that to get it back into working order. If you look in the maintenance section of your owner's manual, it will give you a specific schedule to checking all cabinetry and things like that. Refer to your specific owner's manual for a detailed orientation on when you should be doing specific things to your Airstream concerning a maintenance schedule. Putting the drawer back is very simple. You set it on top of the rails, pull them into place, shut the drawer, and then now it's locked back into place. Very simple. Let's move on to your cabinet doors. All of the newer model Airstreams have a very similar cabinet hinge. Again, checking the screws here, both of the cabinets. And then you have an alignment screw on here. If you pop this cover off, you have an in and out and a left and right model. And you can go back and see my thoughts on these hinges before, how to adjust them and how to put them back on. These are part of the same screw set that you should check after you take trips. In my own rig, I do this at the beginning of every month. I open up every cabinet, I check all the screws, I make sure the cabinets are still aligned, I check the screws around the door frame, I check every single latch, every single hasp, and every single drawer rail system in my own rig at the beginning of every month. That's just part of my monthly checks on making sure everything still works. Should you have any questions about a maintenance schedule for your rig or adjusting or keeping your cabinets maintained, please give us a call, send us an email, check out our website, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to show you in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.